Yo, what's happening guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to fix your brake. Make sure to watch this video till the end. As you guys can see, the brake is really very loose and the wire also came off, as you guys can see. Brake lights are working but brake isn't. To fix this, make sure to watch this video till the end. Use a nut opener like this and open the nut. Be careful, nothing falls off. Pull this thing to the left side and pull the wire as much as hard as you can. Now don't forget to align it and tighten the nut back. Now as you guys can see, the brakes are fixed and it's fully working right now. So I'm gonna do a quick test and show you guys. As you guys can see, the brakes are fully working. The brake light is working too. So as you guys can see, the brakes are working. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.